Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO K13 Turbo. Alright, so to create a backup we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now find the chats. Once we are here, scroll down a little until you find the chat backup. Okay, and let's also discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. In here, as you take a look, currently this Google account is selected. And that means that on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, when we want to restore our chats in the future, we'll need to be logged into the same Google account that we have selected right in here. Of course, you can add another one if you click on Add Account. Okay, below we have also the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but in my case I put it only monthly. And basically that means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's really convenient feature and I highly recommend picking one of those options. Same thing with include videos. Defaultly this option is set on off, but let's keep it enabled. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore the chats. But be aware that if you lose that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So be aware of that, but it's not necessary to create that password to create the whole backup. And now make sure that you have some free Google storage space and now click on Backup button to create your backup. Now the process will start. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. As you take a look on the last backup hour, they are the same. And below we can also see the size of our backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.